What's up guys, Michael with Michael Talks Metal. Back today for another chat on my favorite topic, wood. Wait, what? Wood? Talk about alliteration, but seriously, you know my favorite topic isn't wood, it's metal. But many commercial metals have something in common with wood. They both have a grain structure that leads to different properties depending on the direction of the grain. In wood, the grain orientation results from the growth of the tree. In steels and many other metals, hot working is beneficial to properties and the grain structure also becomes oriented by the shaping of the metal. Grains become elongated in hot working such as rolling, extrusion, or forging. In hot rolling round bars, the cross-section is reduced and the bar is proportionally lengthened. Any imperfections in the metal also become lengthened and oriented with the length of the bar. The length is the long or longitudinal grain direction. The direction across the diameter is transverse. Similarly, a hot rolled flat bar has been reduced in cross-section but not equally in two directions. The thickness is reduced more than the width in the final shape. Here the length would be the longitudinal direction, the width is transverse, and the thickness is termed the short transverse direction. Flat rolled products are primarily reduced in thickness while the width remains relatively unchanged in the resulting cross-section. This results in a greater differential when properties are affected by grain direction. Here again, the length is the longitudinal direction, width is the transverse direction, thickness is the short transverse direction. So why does grain direction matter? Back to our wood analogy, you've probably seen that it is easier to split wood than it is to chop wood due to the grain. Because of the effects of oriented grains within metals, properties can be different relative to the grain orientation as well. More about that in our next video. So check back in about a week or so and we'll delve a little deeper into that grain direction. Grain direction is often a requirement in specifications and testing requirements or for the specifics of the component part. It's been a minute, but I will not forget to remind you to check the specs. So this is Michael. Michael Talks Metal. Made it this far and haven't subscribed? Check it out. Be helpful if you could. Last video, here it is. Thanks again for watching. This is Michael with Michael Talks Metal. I will see you in the next one. I'm out.